Every drive tells a story, and a Vantrue dashcam makes sure you don't miss a detail. Known for their sharp video quality, reliable performance, and advanced safety features, Vantrue cameras are trusted by drivers who want peace of mind on the road. Whether it's daily commutes or long road trips, here are the top 5 Vantrue dashcams to keep your journey secure and well documented. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Vantrue N4S dashcam. There is something endlessly fascinating about technology that watches over you with quiet precision, and this dashcam takes that idea and expands it into a full circle of coverage. From the moment it powers on, it feels less like a simple recorder and more like a vigilant co-pilot, capturing the road in a way that is both comprehensive and reassuring. The heart of its appeal is the 3-channel design, which records the front, cabin, and rear simultaneously. This alone transforms driving into a more secure experience, but the addition of Starvis 2 technology and plate picks brings it into a new league. License plates remain sharp even in the chaos of night driving, and the infrared capabilities extend visibility where the human eye begins to struggle. Video quality is consistently impressive, with resolutions of 2.7K at the front and 1440p at both the interior and rear cameras. Combined with HDR and infrared night vision, the result is clear, balanced footage across a variety of lighting conditions. Streetlights, headlights, and shadows are handled with finesse, making sure details are not lost to glare or darkness. The waterproof rear camera adds another layer of confidence, delivering crisp 2.5K footage with a wide 160-degree view that ensures nothing sneaks up unnoticed. Ease of use is where this camera proves its intelligence. With Wi-Fi connectivity and built-in GPS, footage can be accessed quickly, and location data adds context that is invaluable in the event of disputes or insurance claims. The inclusion of voice control feels futuristic, allowing you to manage recording and navigation without ever lifting a hand from the wheel. It is subtle, but it adds to the sense that this device is designed with the driver's safety in mind at every turn. Storage is generous, supporting up to a massive 1 terabyte. For long-haul drivers or anyone who spends countless hours on the road, this means days of footage can be archived without constant card swapping. Pair that with a 24-hour parking mode, and the vehicle is protected even when you are away, watching over it with the same calm vigilance as when you are inside. Pros: triple channel, night clarity, voice control, large storage. Cons: higher price, complex setup. Number 4. Vantrue S1 Pro Max dashcam. There is a certain thrill that comes with discovering a dashcam that feels less like a simple recorder and more like a complete driving assistant, and this model captures that spirit perfectly. From the very first look, it is clear that this is a flagship device built for drivers who want the highest level of clarity, protection, and intelligence on the road. The dual Sony Star Vive IS2 IMX 678 sensors are the heart of the system, pushing out true 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras. The sharpness is striking, with license plates and road signs captured effortlessly in both daylight and nighttime settings. The dual 158-degree ultra-wide lenses sweep the road with confidence, eliminating blind spots and creating a sense of full coverage that feels incredibly reassuring. Quality does not stop at resolution. PlayPix technology and HDR Night Vision 4.0 combine to crush glare and balance exposure, allowing details to remain legible even under harsh lighting. Streetlights, tunnels, or even stormy conditions no longer wash out or obscure crucial information. This ability to cut through both darkness and distortion ensures that the footage is not just clear, but dependable, a difference that matters when evidence is on the line. Where this camera moves from impressive to extraordinary is in its intelligence. With ADAS and BSD support, it does more than record. It actively watches the road with you. Real-time alerts for potential collisions, lane departures, or even pedestrians add a proactive layer of safety that feels like having a co-pilot always ready to react. It transforms the dashcam into a safety tool, one that empowers drivers by predicting dangers rather than just documenting them afterward. The integration of fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS takes usability to a new level. Reviewing footage, downloading clips, or sharing evidence is fast and seamless through the companion app, while GPS data adds an invaluable layer of context. Routes, speeds, and timestamps can be reviewed with ease, making incident reports more complete and credible. For long-term reliability, OTA updates keep the system current, ensuring features evolve alongside your needs. Pros: dual 4K, HDR clarity, ADAS safety, remote monitoring. Cons: premium price, complex install. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam. There is a distinct satisfaction in driving with a dashcam that feels like it is watching over you with both intelligence and precision, and this model exemplifies that experience. From the moment it is installed, it is clear that every aspect has been designed for clarity, coverage, and convenience. The standout feature is the triple-channel setup, which records simultaneously from the front, interior, and rear cameras. This ensures that every angle of your journey is captured with 4K HDR clarity at the front and 1080p for the interior and rear, producing footage that is not just detailed, but reliable. Even in challenging nighttime conditions, the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor pulls in light beautifully, producing sharp, readable images where license plates and street signs remain crisp and legible. Beyond just image quality, the camera is highly practical and intuitive. Voice control allows hands-free operation with a dozen commands, so starting recordings or taking snapshots does not require taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. For glare-prone situations, the optional corporal filter reduces reflections and ensures optimal video quality. This combination of usability and thoughtful features makes the device feel like an extension of the car itself, rather than just an accessory. Connectivity is another area where the dashcam shines. With OTA firmware updates and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it is simple to keep the system current and access footage from your smartphone without removing the SD card. The Vantrue app allows quick review, download, and sharing of clips, making it easy to provide evidence in case of accidents or insurance claims. Built-in GPS adds another layer of context, recording routes and speeds to give your recordings a professional level of detail. Security is addressed with 24/7 parking mode paired with the G sensor that locks footage upon impact. This ensures that even when you are away from the vehicle, the camera is actively monitoring and protecting your car. Whether it is sudden collisions, minor bumps, or motion near the vehicle, the system captures and preserves the crucial moments automatically. Pros: triple channel, night clarity, voice control, Wi-Fi access. Cons: premium price, installation effort. Number 2. Vantrue E360 Dashcam. There is a unique sense of reassurance that comes from knowing your vehicle is being watched over from every angle, and this dashcam brings that feeling to a whole new level. The panoramic 360-degree lens captures the entirety of your surroundings in stunning 5.2K resolution, creating a visual record that leaves no blind spots. Every detail, from passing vehicles to pedestrians and even license plates, is rendered with remarkable clarity, giving both drivers and passengers a sense of security that is hard to match. The dual Star 5 IS2 sensors, combined with infrared night vision, ensure that even in low light or challenging conditions, the footage remains sharp, balanced, and readable, making night driving or late evening parking far less stressful. Connectivity and convenience are front and center. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast and seamless pairing with your smartphone through the Vantrue app, allowing you to preview, download, edit, and share footage almost instantly. GPS logging adds another layer of intelligence, recording routes, speeds, and positions for accurate tracking of every journey. The dual GPS system provides redundancy, so your location and speed data remain reliable no matter where you drive. Control is another area where this dashcam stands out. Smart voice commands in multiple languages allow you to manage recordings, capture snapshots, or toggle settings without lifting a finger from the wheel. The touchscreen interface complements voice control with intuitive, hands-on adjustments for those who prefer physical interaction. The combination of these control options makes operating the camera effortless, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Installation is straightforward yet sturdy. The enhanced adhesive mount base ensures the camera stays securely in place, while the ball joint and magnetic design allow flexible angle adjustment and easy detachment when needed. This clever design makes setup quick and removes the frustration of fiddling with wiring or awkward mounting points. Pros: 360 coverage, night clarity, voice control, Wi-Fi speed. Cons: high price. Number 1, and the winner is Vantrue N5 Dashcam. There's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing every angle around your vehicle is being watched, and this dashcam delivers that reassurance with remarkable thoroughness. With 4 channels capturing a full 360-degree view, nothing escapes its lenses. Front, rear, and side coverage combine to create a complete visual record of your car's surroundings, ensuring that even tricky blind spots are accounted for. The Starvis 2 sensors enhance low-light performance, producing crisp, clear footage even during night driving or in dimly lit parking areas. The infrared night vision adds another layer of reliability, making sure that the smallest details, whether it's a passing vehicle, a pedestrian, or a license plate, remain visible no matter the conditions. Operation is simple yet sophisticated. Smart voice control allows hands-free commands, giving you the ability to start or stop recording, take photos, or adjust settings without ever taking your hands off the wheel. This feature is especially valuable during driving, ensuring safety remains a priority while maintaining full control over the dashcam's functions. The integration of Wi-Fi allows for fast, seamless access to footage via the Vantrue app, making it easy to review, download, or share video clips directly from your smartphone. GPS tracking complements the visual recording, capturing location and speed to provide additional context in case of incidents or accidents. Reliability is further reinforced with a 24-hour buffered parking mode. Any motion near your vehicle triggers automatic recording, capturing incidents such as hit and runs, vandalism, or attempted theft, even while the car is parked and unattended. Paired with support for up to 512 gigabytes of storage, this means extended recording sessions without the constant need to swap memory cards. Every element is designed to protect both the car and its occupants, whether during travel or stationary. Durability and support are also notable. Vantrue offers an 18-month warranty and continuous firmware updates, ensuring your dashcam remains functional and up-to-date with the latest features. Installation is straightforward despite the comprehensive coverage, with secure mounts keeping the camera firmly in place while allowing flexible adjustment to capture every angle perfectly. Pros: 360 coverage, night clarity, voice control, full protection. Cons: large footprint. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.